Join us today as we work on this fantastic Cork Jade. Well, welcome back everybody. So in this episode, we're looking at this Cork Jade, kind of revisiting it for a bit. So this is height of the summer, it's a great time to trim, great time to repot. I'm gonna leave this guy in the pot one more season. It's doing pretty well, it's pretty root bound at this point, and you can see it's really like pushing on that root bound, on that Nabarra at this point. So a couple of things to notice I did trim it one time in the summer, in the early spring. It just pushed some really growth out, and you know, some of the growth is now all pushing straight up. So our goal today is to wire some of these branches back down. Okay. Gonna wire these branches back down, and then probably this branch on this side back down a little bit, and probably this front one back down. It's all kind of pulling up at this point. So let me turn the camera around, and then alrighty. So back at this thing again. I've noticed that there's some like really weird undergrowth, which I'm gonna actually, if it's pointing straight down like this guy is, I'm gonna whack them off. Anything that's down and straight up, I'm gonna just kind of cut them off. Just so I can get some shape in it first, and I'll go back. I'm gonna wire in a bit here, but I just want to make sure I can see my way through. At this point, again, this is midsummer, great time to trim your succulents. If you consider this like a bonsai. A lot of people don't consider Dwarf Jade a bonsai, but you know what? They have their place. I think some people say that, you know, it's not a bonsai, but I think it has its place. I enjoy it. And then that's what it comes down to. If you like it, you enjoy it. If you haven't watched the last one about how this guy looked before, go back. Go look at that to give you guys a historical idea where this guy came from. Move, see, this tree's kind of weird, or this species kind of weird. You got the wire up and down because they have a tendency to do what it wants to do, not literally listen to what you want to do to it. Well, there we go. Just a quick wire, just 2 pieces of wire on this one. Trimmed as much as I can. As being in, oops, this is one. Being in full summer right now, it's a great time to really cut back, open this guy up so light can get in the center. If you want to defoliate, it's a great time to defoliate too if you want to do that, but I don't do that. And you can see the buds already pushing already. So it's a great time to cut back really hard. Certain areas back here, really dense. I'm trying to make go back for that ramification one more time. And again, these things ramify pretty easily. I mean, it's pretty dummy proof at this point. But just to pull some of these branches down, move them a little closer in. I'm doing it very slowly, a little bit at a time. So I'm not breaking the branches like so quickly. And of course, a pair of pliers, a great way to, if you need to manipulate or move a branch and you got everything wired down, it's a great way to move a branch where you want to move it. So there you go. I think that's it. It's gonna go back full sun and let it grow for until the end of summer, and then probably trim it one more time when it kind of pushes out and kind of cut back that silhouette, and that's pretty much it. I'll probably repot next season, I think. It's just happy in this little, I think this is a Toshu container. Yeah, there you go. What do you guys think? Leave something in that comment. Let me read. And if you would have done something different, please tell me. You know, I always like to learn. This goes back in the back 20s. No one looks at jades, except for me. But this is a kind of special one. It's one of those cork jades. So there you go. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Hit that notification. You know, videos will come out at least twice a week now. I hope it comes out twice a week. But yeah. So that's it, man. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.